Hello everybody! In this video we want to talk to you about iGEM, the competition it hosts and the multidisciplinary teams that participate in it. Teams just like ours. iGEM stands for International Genetically Engineered Machine, and it is a non-profit organization dedicated to the advancement of synthetic biology through educational programs and competitions. The main program of iGEM is its competition, an annual event that has participants from all over the world willing to compete with each other and make advancements in many scientific fields. The main theme of the iGEM competition, though, is synthetic biology, and it is separated in 9 different tracks: diagnostics, energy, environment, food and nutrition, foundational advance, information processing, manufacturing, new application, and therapeutics. In order for a team to qualify for a medal, they have to be able to recreate and present the experimental part of their project in the giant jamboree, where the finals take place. A poster for the project and a web page are also necessary, as they are 2 of the main judging criteria. It began in January 2003 as an independent study course by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and gave students the opportunity to develop biological applications. The competition began in 2004 and 5 teams participated. In 2005, 13 teams, and we come all the way to 2019, where 353 teams challenged each other in the competition. Our team, iGEM News, aims to take part in 2021. iGEM competition has 3 categories: Community Lab, which is basically for everyone; High School, that is a track on its own, only for high school students; and Collegiate. The last category is the one we will participate in. Members are usually undergraduate students, but also postgraduate and high school students are eligible to take part. Even though iGEM focuses on synthetic biology, students from many different fields are needed in order to achieve a great project for the competition. Some of those specialties include biology, computer science, chemistry, molecular biology, veterinary medicine, physics, business and marketing, medicine, mechanics, mathematics, and design. To demonstrate how all these specialties can work together, we will give an example of a potential, yet imaginary project for the iGEM competition. Let's suppose that we aspire to build an electronic sensor that detects a possibly hazardous substance X that is found in an animal's liquid emission, for example, in the milk of a cow. In this example, the veterinary could have been the one to point out the existence of the substance X in the cow's milk. Also, they will provide the much needed information about the animal for the project to be completed. Molecular biologists, chemists, and biologists will come up with the molecular reactions needed to detect the substance X and study the conditions under which it is sustained or destroyed through a series of experiments. Mathematicians will calculate information surrounding the experiment, such as the concentration of the substance X in the sample and how it is affected by exogenous parameters. They could also make a model to calculate the probability of any cow having the substance X in its emissions. All this can make the project more understandable or point out its useful applications in real life. A mechanic would focus on the hardware part of the sensor, cooperating with the other specialties to make it efficient and precise. For example, the sensor should have the right filters to detect the substance X, but it also should be small and easy to handle. At this point, a computer scientist could take the project a bit further by, let's say, making a phone application that receives the result of the sensor, analyzes it, and stores it for further use. For all these things to happen, someone must take care of the funding so that all the necessary equipment is accessible. By finding someone to sponsor the team, the registration fee to the competition, $5,000, is ensured, and also the ability to travel all the way to the giant jamboree. That's where marketing comes in real handy. Also, as I mentioned before, the project must have a poster and a web page, so people with graphic and web page design skills are needed. We hope you got the essence of the iGEM competition and that you are as excited as we are. If you're way too excited with the concept, don't worry. Soon enough, you will be able to apply as a member to our team. What ideas do you have to offer to the world? We would love to hear from you. You can post your questions in the comments or send them at our email, igemnews@gmail.com. Make sure to check out our other video where we explain what synthetic biology is. Also, follow our social media to see our project course and support us until the Giant Jamboree in 2021. No cows were harmed in the making of this video. Thanks for watching.